SBJ480 saw table arrived to explain. First open the package, remove the machine and accessories. Inventory of accessories. First open the saw table side mounting plate. Unfolding the extension panel. Lower locking, adjustable screw length. Just lock it. Spread the supporting leg. Just tighten the support leg screws. Support leg deployment complete. Assembly of the subtop begins with unfolding the support legs. Lower mounted pulley. Thread it into the pre-drilled hole on the right side of the track into the modulation balance. Loosen the bottom screw to lock it in place. Remove the longest mounting screw for the fluids. Align the holes and thread in the two nuts below. Bottom nut fastening. Center nut adjusts height. Thread it into the pre-drilled holes in the sub-table top. Lower nut fastening. Installation of acoustic foam for sub-top. First flip the countertop over. Attach soundproofing foam to one side. Lowering the sub-table top to install the 4/7 knobs. Align the rail slots after installing the 4 handles. Thread the square mother into the slide groove. Thread it into the rail slots. Adjust it flush with the rail. After that, just lock the screws. Installation of side extension support legs. Place the bottom of the support leg into the bottom corner. Just align the holes in the bottom of the extension tabletop and thread it in. Flush with the countertop. Splicing rack assembly. Start by spreading the support leg. Bottom mounted bottom corner. Flip it up after installation. Remove the side extension of the media holder. Align the holes to thread the lower elevation screws to loosen the threads. Just tighten the elevation screws. Extension bracket. Fluid strip assembly. Threading of fluids into screws. Secured by a nut at the bottom. One nut in the center to adjust the height. Installation of the fluids into the extension bracket. Aligning the holes. Lower nut fixing. Adjust to be flush with countertop. Installation of hinge mounting plate. Align it with the sub-hole position and put in the screws to fasten it. Installation of flip-up hinges. Place the hinge on the lower side of the mounting plate. Place a spacer above the screw, secured with nuts underneath. Same mounting position on both sides. Lock the screws after adjustment. Assembling the telescopic leaner, thread the telescopic leaner into the flip the hinged leaf square mother to align with the slots to penetrate the. Mark the flag with the number 2 to the right of the 0 scale on the countertop. Just lock the screws. Use of positioning blocks. Thread the square nut underneath the locating block into the telescopic push ruler slide. Just adjust the size and lock it. Installation of vertical cushions. Adjust this adjusting screw to the proper position. Just turn it over and lock it in place. Assembly of miter gauge. First, put the base plate of the ruler into the rail groove. Thread the slide of the ruler into the square mother. Adjust the size. Adjust the angle and lock the nut. Installation of screw machine inverted pile plate. First adjust the bottom screws to the right height. Place the inverted staking plate to level with the table top. Thread the screws into the pre-drilled holes. Lower nut fixing. Fastening and locking of rails. First loosen the stopper. The guide rail can be operated normally. Screw. Align the lower holes, locked by threading into the locking rail. .480 saw table complete. Installation completed.